Hey guys, it's John Boy. It's time for another crafting video. So tonight what we're going to be doing is we're going to be painting these letters to go on to, this one's for the cross. It's going to be in a later episode, but we have little projects to make the big project work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these three colors right here. They're all acrylic. It's dark blue, light blue, and some white. And I just dotted them on a piece of packing paper, and I'm just using the packing paper because it's quite thick and I don't have to worry about it bleeding through. So what I'm going to do is I put 2 drops dark blue, 1 drop of light blue, and 1 drop of white. Mix it all together right here on this and just paint my letter H. Very first kiss. Hey guys, this is the finished product of the H. It's gonna go on a cross for my mom, and then there's the W. Um, I didn't put anything on the W because I can't figure out how I want to do it yet. But the H is done. So make sure to follow and subscribe to my channel so you can see the finished product when I get done.